Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TT Logic, and in this video we are going to solve a nice algebraic problem. And here we have to solve a nice problem which is x to the power of y minus y to the power of x is equal to 17. And here it is, we find the value of x and y. So first of all we can be written as x to the power of y and minus y to the power of x, and here we taking both square with 2 over 2 and is equal to 17. And now here we can multiply powers, so x and y over 2 and whole the power of 2, and then minus y and multiply powers is x over 2 and whole the power of 2 and is equal to 17. And now here we take let x to the power of y over 2 is can be a, and y the power of x over 2 is denoted by b. So here this x the power of y over 2 is a, this square, and minus this y the power of x over 2 b square and is equal to 17. And now this a square minus b square is a plus b, then times a minus b and is equal to 17. And now here it is, a plus b is greater than a minus b and is equal to 17. So here this a plus b is equal to this 17, and then times this a minus b is equal to suppose 1. So here we take the two equations. This is first equation and this is second equation. And now in the next step is a plus b is equal to 17 and a minus b is equal to this one, and then we can solve it. This a plus a is 2a and is equal to this minus plus cancelled out, and this 17 plus 1 is 18. So a is equal to 18 over 2 and 2 divided by 18 is 9. And now it is the value of a is equal to 9. Here it is the value of a is equal to 9. And now in the next step is this a plus b, a plus b is equal to 17, and now here we put the value of a, and a the value is 9. So here this a is can be written as 9 plus b is equal to 17, and now this b is here is equal to, and this 17 and this plus 9 is moved here is minus 9, and now this b is equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8, and now here it is the value of b is equal to 8. And now we recall these values. X the power of y over 2 is a and x the power of x over 2 is b. So we can be written as x the power of y over 2, x the power of y over 2 is equal to a. And here we put the value of a, and a the value is 9. So a is equal to 9, and now this x the power of y over 2 is equal to 9. And now here we take square with both sides, and so this 2 cancelled out with this 2, and remaining is x the power of y is equal to this 9 square. 9 multiplied 2 times is 81. And same here we can solve the value of y the power of x over 2 it as b, and here b the value of 8. So y the power of x over 2 is equal to, and this b the and here we put the value of this b, and b the value is 8. And now here we take square with both sides. Y x over 2 square 2 and is equal to this 8 square 2, and this 2 cancelled out this 2, and remaining is y the power of x, and is equal to this 8 square. 8 multiplied 2 times is 64. And now here this 81 can be written as 81, and 9 square. 9 multiplied 2 times is 81. This 9 square, and 9 square is 3 the power of 4, and so here we use this 3 the power of 4. And now x the power of y is equal to 3 the power of 4, and same as it is here, this 64 and 64 1, and now this 8 square. 8 multiplied 2 times is 64, and 8 square is can be written as 4 cube. 4 multiplied 3 times is 64, so we can be use this 4 cube. And now this y the power of x is equal to 4 cube, and so here we recall x is less than y from this x is equal to 3, and now we use powers. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. And now here let's we verify this question. And we can be written this question: x the power of y and minus y the power of x, and is equal to 17, and x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. And so this 3 the power of 4 minus 4 the power of 3 and is equal to 17. This x the value of this 3 the power of 4, this 3 the power of 4xy, and y the power of x is equal to 4 cube and is equal to 7. And now here this 3 the power of 4, 3 multiplied 4 times is 81, and then minus 4 multiplied 3 times is 64, and is 64, 4 and is equal to 17, and 81 minus 64 is equal to 17 is equal to 17. And now here it is correct verification. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.